Hi guys, my name is Take, Ndou. I'm a gospel artist from South Africa, and those of you that follows me know that I've been very scarce on social media. I was staying away for the past 3 weeks or so, and the reason is, I'm sure some of you can already guess. Yes, I tested positive for Covid-19 in the past few weeks because I was feeling a whole lot of fever in my body. The next day it went bad. The other day I couldn't even wake out of my bed. But unfortunately, I did not have any single symptom that they wrote there for COVID. But I just had the fever only. When I tested, the results came back positive. Because I had been doing a whole lot of TV shoots and gospel shoots and stuff. So I think I really exposed myself when I was that side. So guys, COVID-19, coronavirus is real. It is out there. And a whole lot of us think that we cannot get it from people we know. We think that people we know don't have this thing. And that's how we are getting it. And that's how we are just spreading this thing to other people. So please, let's take care of our families. Let's take care of ourselves. Wash your hands, guys. Sanitize. Let's keep social distancing. Please stay away from people that you're not sure if they have or they don't have. Let's take care of ourselves, guys. It was really painful. The first week of me dealing with this thing was painful. There's a day where I collapsed and I thought, you know what, Father, I'm ready to come to you. I thought I was ready. But you know what, I thank God for healing. I thank God for my pastor, my mom, my family that have been praying for me. And I also thank God that none of my family got this thing. They all tested and they tested negative, and obviously the other person I was in contact with also tested negative, and I really thank God for that I did not spread this thing, and I found out while it was still early. So these are the stuff that I was taking. This is the stuff that I took to make sure that I am fine. This is the famous tree, umhlonyane. I was drinking it every day. I was steaming with it. And the drops helped. This I was putting on the humidifier to make sure that I breathe it throughout the night. Vitamin C, the zinc, the appetite. I was just taking everything, ginger and lemon, just to make sure that I'm fine. So guys, if you get this thing, don't panic. You can beat it. Make sure that you take all this stuff. Make sure this tree really helped me, guys. This herb really helped me. So make sure that you take it, you drink it, you steam with it. You're gonna be fine. So if you know someone who has it, don't panic. If you have it, don't panic. Just make sure that you follow these things and take them, and you will be fine. Guys, take care of yourselves, please. If you have to stay home, stay home. Please don't go out if it's not necessary. God bless you, and may you find healing the same way I found healing. Amen. Ndou.